Did you know you can kickstart your dream career in the oil and gas industry with just $120? That's right. International certifications courses not only boost your resume, but also give you a competitive edge in this highly rewarding field. Today we'll explore affordable certification options from globally recognized bodies and how these courses can transform your career. Hi everyone, welcome to Monitor Max channel where we discuss all things machine condition monitoring using the latest technology. Here we don't just provide technical insights, we also help you advance your career with industry-recognized certifications and practical skills that truly makes a difference. The oil and gas industry is one of the most lucrative sectors, offering global career opportunities in maintenance, condition monitoring, safety, and operations. But here's the catch. Employers prioritize candidates with internationally recognized certifications. Certified professionals earn 15 to 20% more on average and are swiftly promoted. And the good part is that the courses can be taken online and in person between 3 to 5 days. Here are some certification bodies that offer affordable, globally recognized courses for as little as $120 or slightly more. ICML, the International Council for Machinery Lubrication, offers ISO certification for lubrication analysts. Engineers and technicians can get certified under MLA, MLT, LLA, and MLE categories. Vibration Analyst Inc., or VAI, and Mobius Institute specialize in ISO Category 1, 2, 3, and 4 vibration certifications, and other predictive maintenance courses for machinery health monitoring. SDT Ultrasound Solutions is known for ultrasonic testing certifications for NDT, or non-destructive testing. They offer ISO Category 1 ultrasound certification, Level 1 and 2 certified inspector training, and more. PDMA Corporation offers training to assist in learning how to safely operate and perform data analysis for motor circuit evaluation using the MCMAX, MCE, and EMAX testing equipment. The courses are designed to help you get the most from your tester. The initial training courses are designed for both technicians and analysts to enable them to begin utilizing their tester as part of an effective motor testing program. These courses focus on how to safely operate the equipment, perform all tests, and use the 6-fault zone approach to data analysis. NBOSH certifications offer globally recognized health, safety, and environmental qualifications. These certifications not only enhance your technical skills but also increase your chances of landing jobs globally. Steps to get certified. Getting started is simple. Here's what you need to do. First, click on the following links in the description box below, or search for the above-listed certification bodies and choose a course relevant to your career goals. Next, allocate a budget of $120 to $1,500, including study materials. Then, visit the official website, register, and begin preparing for the exam. Make use of resources like practice tests and webinars provided by the certification body. Your dream job in the oil and gas industry is closer than you think. Invest in yourself today. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. If you found this useful, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share with friends and colleagues.